Your question?
My question to all of you: there is too much difference between real and real life. Means theoretical and practical life. This is a okay that in a theoretical life we can explain that it is happen and it is good for me and for others also. But when I will see in a practical life, then anybody how can they survive in front of the society? Because they are I have some example. If anybody is if any friend if any friend is gay, then always I cannot support in front of society, because there are many circumstances in a society also. When I will go anywhere, then people begins to taunt upon me. So by the me we can destroy their emotions, and we are playing with their emotions. So that is a so according to me this is a not good for that and for me also.
A decade ago, you must be known that there was a stigma of opposite gender friend, but it is not decreasing day by day, or you might say every year it is decreasing. So the people aren't that much judging you with your opposite gender friend. So this is a new thing that you have some gay friends. This is a completely new topic for new topic for our society.
Sir, this
This
is
is our
a
Indian
sir.
society.
This is a materialistic
This is
word.
Indian society.
Listen to me. This is a materialistic, but this not we cannot contact with the one work. There are a lot of works in a society. For the friendship we cannot support always, and there are also many works in life. So all the time we cannot give our mind to our friends.
Sir, we are not saying that we should only concentrate on our friendship, but we are saying that we should not break our friendship with our friend if we come to know that he is attracted to the same gender. Yes,
But this is the definition of a relationship, that we should not leave our friends, and we have to support in any condition. But this is a not a practically happen in front of society, because there are many circumstances and many works I have a lot.
So basically our society is behaving like homophobic. They are not supporting these kinds of genders because they fear that if we support them, then we become embarrassed in front of society.
Yeah.
And this should help to change. Because if you support them, it doesn't mean you have to embarrass. If each and every person accepting these facts, then nobody will feel embarrassed.
We have to live in front of society, then how can I deny?
If you have to live in front of society, you have to make the society.
For the one
better.
person we can live our society, we can live our
I'm
person.
not saying that you can leave the society just for one person. If you have real feelings toward that person, you have to
For the
come
one-
forward to support them.
Okay, please, Vishal, your question.
My question to me, sir. When you make friendship with a girl and after some time you could be attracted towards your female friend, and most of the time boys propose their...
Please, take off your mask.
नहीं sir. Propose the girl. Something should be happen with your same thing should be happen with your gay or homosexual friend. Then what will you do? Will you be a homosexual to support your homosexual friend?
So if I am going to propose any of my female friend, that doesn't mean she will accept me. She can also reject my proposal.
She can also and your friendship will be ended with this.
So I can no, that doesn't mean my friendship will end up with her, because we are true friends. But she is as ma'am has said that she hasn't have any feeling like that. She is not in love with me, so she can reject me. Rejection is the thing that you should accept in your life. This is God's fact.
If you reject him, your friendship will be ended with this. मतलब इसके साथ आपकी friendship खत्म
no,
हो जाएगी.
it is on you how you will.
Most
take
of the
that
time when
decision,
we
and
propose
it
the
is
girls
on the girl,
and girls ended friendship with us.
No, it is on you that how you gonna take that rejection. It is on that girl that how she is gonna react after that proposal. It is only dependent on your friendship on the two individual. Not all the time. It is not possible that after the proposal friendship will end.
theoretically it is easy to say, but in practical it is very it is tough. It is very tough. It is very tough, and when you come to your gay friend is your homosexual friend is attracted towards you,
you
then
have created a mindset that if any person propose her friend, close friend, so that
it is easy to say only, man. It is not possible. Your friendship will not be affected by this. You cannot say.
No, sir, I can say.
It is a practical, not easy to say. It is a practical. You create your mind setup in a that sense. When I propose a girl, he denies or rejected me, then your mind setup work on that. The girl mind setup is not work on that. If I rejected and Vishal never come again to talk with me. It's your creation in your mind. Okay.
बट द गर्ल मतलब लड़की के दिमाग में ये तो बात रहेगी कि इसके मन मेरे लिए ये भावना है, मुझे इससे बच के रहना है।
Then he said, no, but why is he says बच के रहो?
It is not about बच के रहना. It is the way how you propose that girl, how you share your feelings that girl. If you didn't share your feeling with that girl in a बच के रहना वाला sense, so
In heterosexual relationship it is easy and मतलब आप रह सकते हो, लेकिन जब होमोसेक्सुअल रिलेशनशिप होता है तो आपको ये बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है कि आप उसके साथ चीजें फिर से अच्छी तरह से आप चालू कर सकें, क्योंकि
heterosexual relationship happens that the girls and guys, however close they are, but if they actually are separate bond of friendship, so they maintain a safe distance from each other. Right na? Safe distance, you know what I mean? Right na? So there is actually close proximity, means which is very much clear to the individuals who belong to each other and who belong to a particular group. So until they are emotionally and you can say intellectually close to each other, so they try to actually maintain that safe distance. So that's the point here. Means even in heterosexual relationship, we have to maintain the same distance from each other. It is not something that only in homosexual relationship. Yeah, Divya, you have to say please.
My question is to all of you that you cannot refuse that when you, the friendship or the company you keep near you, then it always impacts on you. So if the gay friends or the lesbian friends are with you, then may it change your feelings and it may change your desire or choice. I will change our feeling and desire.
Ma'am, if they are touching you in a wrong way and if because their talking style and their walking style all are different, all the things are different. So how can you deny that it not have any impact on you?
They should be affected by you also. If I am straight and one of my friend is gay, so if I can get affected by his gay nature, so he can also be affected by my straight nature. So that don't exaggerate the point.
Sir, you said that it is a hormonal disbalance. So can you think that hormones can be changed by just seeing that or just by
That is what we are saying. You have said that your feelings can change. So it isn't possible. Actually, they are.
Ma'am, in our daily life, we are surrounded by so many people. So I mean that environment matters. The people around us matters. But no, but we cannot say that we adopt all of the things of that particular person.
but you adopt the things but you don't know about that adoption because for example if you live with a as you know Karan Johar is also gay. So if you live with
Karan Johar is not gay. He is a
he is a
bisexual.
gay.
He is a bisexual. He stated that when I was a teenager, I loved with her Twinkle Khanna, the wife of Akshay Kumar. Okay. He is not gay. He is a
So both
bisexual.
are different.
Yes.
Example is supporting your case. This example is supporting your case.
So
in a bisexual means he was
Yes, sir.
he has attraction toward both genders.
Yes.
Male
Yes.
and female. And
Yes.
if he attached toward male, it means he was a gay. Look, right, she is right.
Yes, that's.
He is a gay. He is a gay and both have.
Both, so it doesn't matter.
Then
The other
if
person
he
is
bisexual,
Exactly.
listen, please listen. Gay is only a one form of that thing. But Karan Johar is a
There's
bi
more
form
people,
of
sir.
that.
Bisexual, but when the relationship is with the boy, he is a gay.
Sir,
And sir, you are telling that he is not a man and he is not a girl also.
Neither he is
He is a mix.
Absolute transgender is a different.
Where-
But it is the abnormal